Here's to the EMASUITE, the industry-specific ERP platform, with a mission to eliminate human error, combat theft, streamline your business processes, save time, save cost, increase productivity, more sales, maximize your profitability. With more than 30 applications under one roof: logistics systems, courier systems, clearing and forwarding systems, warehouse systems, accounting systems, invoicing systems, payroll systems, HR systems, membership club systems, manufacturing systems, bar and restaurant systems, insurance systems, CRM systems, project management systems, college or school accounting systems, inventory systems, construction management systems, and much more. Open account for 1 month free.